Do a quick tutorial of how to get into your Google Classroom. So first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to go to Google Apps Learn on your Launchpad. It's all lowercase g. And once you're in here, you're going to go over to the top right where you have a little waffle. Click on your waffle. Click on the classroom. Once you go in here, if it's your first time, it's going to ask you, are you a teacher or a student? You would click student. It might ask you a couple other questions. Your first time logging in is a little bit different. Anyway, you'll end up, it might actually give you a circle in the middle with a plus option, or you'll have the plus in the top right. So you'll click join class. And in Ellen's case for Miss Butler, you're going to type in D4QHOPZ and you'll click join. And once you're in here, it will bring you up to Miss Butler's class. And as you can see, she's posted videos to help support the lesson. She's got other material in here about social stories for kids. So there's just lots of different stuff, and it's a way to be able to communicate. So if you need help getting there, let me know. And as you can see up here in classwork, all the different things, read aloud help, all these social emotional, and by grade level. So there's like reading standards and math fraction help videos. So if you have any questions about how to get in here and work this, please do not hesitate to reach out and ask.